7 lonely days and a dozen times ago, I reached out one night, you were gone. Don't know why you'd run, what you running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. Well, I'm walking in the rain, thumbing for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, our love's too strong to let you go, never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through. With the rain in my shoe, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. Showed your photograph to some old gray-bearded men sitting on a bench outside a dinner store. They said, yes, she's been here, but the memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No, wait, the day before. So I finally got a ride from a preacher man who asked, were you bound on such a cold, dark afternoon? As he drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained, and we with him, with a prayer that I'd find you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through. Within my shoes, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. Yeah, 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 cold Kentucky rain. Yeah, 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 in the cold Kentucky rain. Yeah, 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 in the cold Kentucky rain. Yeah, yeah, yeah.